Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites. The Web Inspector app installed, Safari Advanced toggled on, and device trust established. Once done, open the Web Inspector app and allow local network and camera permissions if requested. Make sure to close interfering apps and use a steady USB-C or Lightning cable or the same Wi-Fi network for remote inspection. You'll now pair the device. Tap Pair in the app and accept pairing prompts on your Mac or within the app so you can begin inspecting live pages. Once paired, navigate to the web page you want to inspect on the iPhone. You'll use Elements to view DOM and styles, Console for runtime logs and commands, and Network for requests and timing. Tap any element to highlight and edit properties live. Make sure to issue console commands from your Mac or the app's console input. You can also emulate different screen sizes and toggle orientation. Remember to throttle network speeds for realistic performance testing and to reload pages after toggles for accurate results. To finish, save any DOM snapshots, export HAR files and console logs for later analysis, and then gracefully unpair the device. Make sure to revoke temporary permissions and clear cache if you change settings during testing. If something goes wrong, try a targeted fix. Restart the Web Inspector app and your iPhone, toggle Safari Advanced off and on, and reconnect the USB cable or rejoin the Wi-Fi. If pairing still fails, check for OS updates. Often a quick restart or cable swap resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.